Hey loves, so guess what I will be reviewing today? It is a little fridge. And you won't guess where I got it. I got this thing from Five Below. What? They have fridges at Five Below? Yes, they do. And yes, I'm talking to myself. Okay, so this fridge was only $25, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it was. So here is the fridge and where I have it in my room. And it's like, here's my hand compared to it. So it's like about the size of my hand. But it has a decent little amount of space in it. Right now I'm putting my lizards, worms, and lettuce. And I just have a flower in there. But it has enough space for, if you don't have the shelf in here, you can probably fit like a normal water bottle in here. Or a can. But yeah, it has a decent amount of space and it actually gets pretty quick. So would you go buy this fridge?